Today I'm going to teach you how to use end function. End function is a made function in Excel which returns true or false based on two or more conditions. So in order to use end function, you must have either two or more conditions. So you want to check out if two or more conditions meet the criteria, then the answer will be true. If does not meet, the answer is false. By do so, start with the equal sign, then end. And I'm going to check if this one is less than this, comma, also this one is less than this. So if G2 is less than I2, and if G2 is less than I2, the answer will be true. Otherwise, the answer will be false. So if anyone does not meet the condition, the answer will be false. But if both meet the criteria, the answer will be true. For example, let me check this one. G2 is less than I2. It is not true. This one is greater than I2. So this one does not meet the condition. G2 is less than I2. Also does not meet the condition. So the answer will be false. Like this one. But if I change this one, let's say 16. To say this one is 40 or 45. This one is less than I2, it is true. But this one is greater than 30. So this one does not meet the condition, so the answer will be false. In order to display or to return true, all criteria must meet the condition. So when I change this one, let's say 50, the answer is true, because now G2, which is 40, is less than 45, and G2, which is 40, is also less than 50. So the answer is true. I can change the formula. Let's say greater than. So I'm going to check if this one is greater than this. It is not true. This one 40 is less than 45, so the answer will be false. Also 40 is less than 50, so both criteria does not meet the condition, so the answer is false. But when I change this one, let's say that one criteria has met the condition. This one is 40 is greater than 30, but 40 is less than 50. So this one not meet the condition. But when I change this one, let's say 25, now the answer is true, because both this one 40 is greater than I2. This one also G2 is greater than is greater than O2. So that is what we can use the end formula to return either true or false. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe in order to get more videos from this channel. Like, share and comment. Thank you.